How y'all doing? Hey, it's Price, and I am just going to see about making a scupper plug cart, dolly, whatever you want to call it, for my Ascend 12T kayak. And if it works on my other two, then even better. But that's what I'm gonna do. Pretty much gonna be the same thing everybody else has done on YouTube. I mean, there's a little bit different variations and stuff like that, but you know, I'm looking for functionality. I'm not looking to, you know, come up with some kind of crazy idea that blows everybody's mind, but everybody's mind. But anyway, I'm just gonna run through this right quick, and we'll get this show on the road and see if we can get this done. I'm making this afternoon because in the morning I'm taking my 12T out on the lake, and I'm gonna do a little bass fishing out of it for the very first time. So hang in there. I'll get back in just a second. You need some primer and cement, tees. These are 3/4. Got 5 of them. I got 4 5/8 nuts. I got caps. And I got 5/8 washers. And 3/4 inch Schedule 40 PVC. These are already cut in 5-foot lengths. And I've got a 3-foot rod of 5/8 all thread, or threaded rod, whatever you want to call it. Got the tires. Now the tires that I'm using do take air. This is a pretty heavy kayak, and to me these seem like a better option. They've got the bearing in them, and they've got a grease cert. Alright, so what we got, I got my Ascend up on its side. These 2 scupper holes are the ones that I want to use. So what I've done is that I just kind of eyeballed it a little bit. I don't want to have a lot of waste, so I've kind of eyeballed it a little bit, and I got my measurement. I want to go 16 inches for these first 2 pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one off, and then I'll use it to measure my next piece, and I'll pick it up there at the next step. Alright, so there's my first 2 pieces, 16 inches. What I'm gonna do is attach a T onto each one of them. Make sure it's on there really good. And we're just dry fitting everything right now. They're gonna be like that, pointing towards each other. Now we're gonna put a crossbar, cross piece in, whatever you want to call it. So we kind of need to get an idea. I'm gonna say about right there. All right, I'll get that piece cut and we'll check it out. All right, so got my cross piece in. Now these pieces right here, I cut them at 8 inches. Some people cut them really short. I kind of wanted my tires to be, you know, a little bit away from the kayak. I didn't want it to be a low rider, so it's gonna be a little bit jacked up. I don't know. If I don't like it, I'm gonna give it a test run before I glue everything together. But what I'm fixing to do now is we're going to tee it again, and alright, so got the next section on. Next thing, we're going to put these tees on like this. See how these are? These are going to be different. Alright, now I'm going to cut a piece to go between these two. It's going to go from that one to that one. Alright, we got the next piece in right there. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Okay, so you can see I got a little bit to cut off, but what I've got is I got my nut and washer on the back side here. You can see that the nut actually goes up inside of this tee. I got washer and nut and washers over here. And before I glue it all up and tighten everything down, I am going to go ahead and give it a test run and see how it works. All right. It fell apart because I didn't have it all glued. Okay, so you saw me dragging it around and you saw the two pieces pop loose. It works. It just came apart because I didn't have it glued and everything like that. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go ahead and glue everything up and tighten everything down, and then we'll do a final look it over, whatever. All right, I'll get back with you in a minute. All right, so I'm done. And I am going to trim these off a bit, like right in here. Okay, so I'm gonna test it out, and I'm just gonna drag this thing around, you know, all over different terrain, through grass, over rocks, you know, probably through a little bit of mud and stuff like that, and see if there's anything I need to change about it, or maybe stiffen up, make it a little stronger. I just thought I would share this. Not much video, I'm running out of daylight, and this is just my version of a scupper cart for a kayak, and this is my Ascend 12T. Also, I did test it to see if it would fit these two, and it won't. The holes on the Ascend are too far apart. I'm gonna clean my mess up, and I'm gonna go ahead and load this dude up on my Jeep and get it tied down and everything like that. And anyway, I'm rambling, I'm tired, and I got stuff to do. Y'all be cool. This is Price, and I am out of here. This really wasn't that good of a video, but give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you think this is gonna work? You think it's gonna last a while? Let me know what you think. Throw some comments out there, maybe some other ideas. This is Price, and I am out of here. Y'all be cool. Have a good day. Hey, if y'all found this video helpful, comment. Let me know. Let me know what you think. You got any good ideas? Maybe if you think this is gonna work, if it's gonna last for a long term. maybe let me know. And comment, give me a thumbs up if you want to. And subscribe to my channel. Why not? Are you not subscribed already? Holy crap, I'm being followed. Oh, that's weird. What the hell? I gotta go. That's freaking me out. Alright, so I just thought I would bring you back and show you the finished product again. As you can see, it's black now. What I did was, I even I blacked out the wheels and all that stuff. They were gray. I had, hang on a minute and I'll show you. I had a can of this left from when I painted something else here a while back. Got it at Home Depot. I don't remember how much it was. I bought like 2 cases of it, but had a can of it left. So I painted it. I think it looks pretty good myself. But it's bed liner. It's got a little bit of a rough texture. It's bed liner. But I think it looks pretty good.